Caviar, collard greens. I keep it real hood in my Prada jeans. My rings, high beams, cut through dark like lightning.
What is up, guys? It's Ava. It's your girl, Ava, here. Currently sitting here in my bootleg office of my new house. I literally whipped this background together in the last 5 minutes. Let me just tell you where I'm at right now in my life. Earlier today, I thought that I would do something athletic. I thought that I would do something outdoorsy. I'm like, you know what? Let's go for a hike, okay? Let's go for a hike. And then I'm like, you know what would be like so cute? If I took Hanalei on the hike and then we were like cute with like me and my dog, woman's best friend. The hike was a disaster. It started to rain. Get home, Hanalei was so worn out from the hike, she threw up all over my new rugs, all over the floor, and I still haven't cleaned it up. So basically that's where I'm at. There's just a bunch of throw up on my floor right now outside these doors. I figured what better thing to do to distract me from the throw up outside than to film a video. Woo! We'll deal with all that later. Wow, okay, this hair, oh my gosh. For today's video, we are attempting a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. I asked you guys on Twitter what video you wanted to see, and a lot of you guys said this video, and then when I asked you what makeup artist you wanted me to do, most of you guys said either James Charles or Jeffree Star. And I decided to go with Jeffree Star because he had this one tutorial. I was just drawn to it. This makeup tutorial that Jeffree did had a lot of colors in it that I had as well, but I never had an opportunity to use them. So I decided what better video to do than this one. Roll the clip. So my hair's a mess. His hair in the video was blonde, so I'm just gonna leave my hair like this and then at the end switch to a wig that's more fitting. We love the wigs on this channel. Imagine if I just like walked around like this. How you doing? My name's Ava. Oh my gosh. I give up. If you like these types of videos where YouTubers attempt other YouTubers' makeup tutorials, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get notified when I upload. And without further ado, let's hop into this Jeffree Star makeup tutorial recreation that I hope goes well and doesn't flop. Got my handy dandy iPad next to me. We're loading, it's not working, not working.
What's up, everyone?
Hi.
Today we're gonna dive into this crazy copper smoky eye with a blue lip. They were like, bitch, what is this peachy crazy copper shit on your eyes?
It's beauty. That's what it is.
Highlighters in there, and I mean, can we talk about this cheek? Oh my God. Ooh. My summer liquid lip collection comes out.
Yes, queen. Plug the merchandise. It's awild.com.
Today, we're gonna use 3 products. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation.
Usually for foundation, I just use the Hourglass foundation, but since we're following a Jeffree Star tutorial, we are gonna mix 3 foundations on my hand.
What?
Oh, I have those! Ooh! Okay guys, I have the custom enhancer drops that he was using. I feel like almost connected to him because I have the same product. So we're just gonna get fancy and use the back of a brush. Oh yes. Ooh, that color though. And then you know what? We're just gonna apply it with the brush as well. And I probably should have a mirror by me because at this point I'm doing this without a mirror. So there we go. We need some on the neck too. Oh my God, what is...
Thank you. I'm gonna use...
Thank you. Where's my beauty blender?
Well, you better blend that face.
I am trying. So I just got my eyebrows microbladed the other day and I can't get any makeup on them. I'm gonna try really hard to like not get my eyebrows.
Today for concealer, I'm trying a new product. Oh my God, this is really...
This is the lightest concealer that I own. Woo! Holy shoes kebab. Baby Jesus of Nazareth. Okay, this seems like an abnormally extra amount of concealer, but that's what he looks like, so we're just gonna flow with it.
Okay, well, let's give that a whirl.
We're just giving it a whirl. A little walk around the block. Clearly this brush is not for concealer. Oh God, but we're still gonna make it work though because we have nothing else. We have nothing else. My whole cheek has concealer on it. That's definitely not supposed to happen. Guys, I'm really gonna try on this. So if this turns out really bad, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
Locket setting powder.
We are setting like Jeffree Star. Guys, the amount of makeup in my hair right now, I swear I'm better than this. We're just gonna set the whole face, okay?
Using the Makeup Geek contour powder in. Okay, so how severely do I want to cut you today? Because I'm feeling really severe.
Jesus Christ, those cheekbones. Okay, I have this contour from ColourPop. How much do we want to cut our face today? Still don't feel like I'm getting the cutting action. No. I'm just gonna keep adding product until I feel like Jeffree Star.
And I like to go really fast back and forth, and it just kind of blends into that jawline, and I'm gonna drag it out just halfway. So I'm never gonna go past it. I just get a little bit of product on there, and I'll just take it and I'll go directly down the nose, and it's gonna give you really quick, instant contour.
Oh my gosh! I followed what he said! My nose looks like a triangle. My nose. Contour just made my nose look bigger.
Now to give my cheeks a little extra.
For blush, I don't have the blush that he used, so I'm gonna go in with a similar color from ColourPop.
Come on, blend, bitch, blend. My Urban Decay eye primer.
For eye primer, I'm using the Tarte Lid Lock because I don't have his eye primer.
Blend that primer into the lids. To start, I'm gonna be dipping into my own brand's palette. This is the Beauty Killer eyeshadow.
Get that promo! For the eyeshadow, I don't have the palettes he's using, so instead I'm going to use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette.
And then drag down.
Trying so hard to not touch my actual brow. Gotta keep the microblading intact.
Dip into a little transition shade called Courtney. And we're just gonna put that right in our...
Yeah, that's not blending. That's not blending the way I wanted it to.
Oh, come on. First of all, the pigment's amazing. So I'm really gonna darken my lid right in here to put that where I really
Jeffree, you need to slow down. We're just gonna blend this down here. Call it a day.
And then for a little,
Hold on. Jeffree, you're going too fast, honey. I can't find my blending. Oh, it's over there.
I'm gonna be really country and just show you what I do. Yes, I just lick my own brush because, hi, I'm putting it on myself. And I'm just gonna drag it down and fill in that blank space that we talked about earlier that we did not need any shadow for. And then we're just gonna take a little bit more. And I'm gonna add a tiny bit of a liner. Now, usually when I say tiny, I do full fucking drag.
The wing of an angel. It actually looks pretty good.
And we're just gonna quickly do the entire waterline.
Okay, we're water lining. We're heading in for a water landing. Oh my god, how did that even... I have makeup all over. How am I feeling this bad?
Now this one is like a deep copper and it has a lot of bling to it.
We love the bling.
Really lightly, almost like we're doing surgery. Go under.
Like I'm doing surgery. Okay, I definitely thought for some reason he was gonna have a lot more like copper eye stuff going on besides just like flat matte eyeshadow. I pulled like the coolest colors for this makeup tutorial. Okay, seriously, this should not be that hard. Oh wait, there's tape on it. Ow! Oh my god, I almost cracked my teeth on this. Ooh, that's the most unpleasant feeling. Look at how pretty that is. I didn't even get to use it.
Now I just bought this new Gucci mascara. Oh, look how cute this packaging is. I'm like, hey there. I've never tried this before. Really cute packaging.
For mascara, I used this one by Tarte. It doesn't have a name on it. I don't have any of Jeffree's products. Nobody bothered to put me on their PR list, so.
For lashes today, I'm gonna be using the House of Lashes Iconic.
I'm going to go ahead and add the Eyelure by Crazy Ray Ray lashes. These are my favorite false lashes. I'm just gonna pop, lock, and drop it. I'm going to pop these babies on and be right back. They never got the switch, girl. We're making this pop.
Now, let's get to highlighting. What are we gonna do today for highlighting?
Once again, we don't have Jeffree's products, so I'm just gonna go in with a highlighter of my own choice. Oh! Now, I don't want to tease too much, you know. This probably wouldn't be a correct video to tease something along these lines. Clearly, you can see how badly I'm failing at this recreation. But let's just say this highlight may be created by someone in this room. Guess you'll have to wait and see.
Now, it wouldn't be right unless we got that Cupid's bow really bright right now. This is my favorite part, using Jawbreaker liquid lipstick.
Oh, yeah! I love blue lips so much. There's this blue lip color by Tarte that I've wanted to use for so long and I've never had a reason to. Today's the day.
You know, we have our eyes on lockdown, we're glowing, we're blinging. Let's just kill him dead with the blue.
Oh, let's kill him dead. Yes. No, let's hit the blue. Hit the blue. Okay, so the blue I'm using is Tarte Fairy Tale. I love blue, as you can see behind me. Not really. Guys, I love blue so much. Blue is like the main theme of my new house right now. Everything's gonna be blue, everything's gonna be ocean inspired. Side note, leave me comments down below for how I should decorate the back of my filming area, because clearly this needs Jesus. Leave me ideas in the comments down below because I wanna finish it this week. Oh, honey, yes. Ooh, I'm gonna do 2 coats of this. Uh-huh, woo.
This is really cool for summer.
Cool for the summer. Okay, the makeup look is done, but I'm gonna go switch to a blonde wig. I'm gonna stop the video and then I'll be right back with my blonde hair. Oh, oh. So I just looked at myself in the mirror. The whole time I was filming this video, I was using this dusty mirror from MAC. It literally is dusty. I did my whole face with this mirror. My face is not blended. I look disgusting.
Excuse me, there's coffee in my throat. I think the platinum hair just looks so striking with these lips. And I mean, come on, those eyes, bitch, yes.
So this is the finished makeup look. I look literally terrible. You guys can all laugh at me and screenshot. I know I look ridiculous, but yeah, this is the finished look. I could have done a much better job. So yeah, this was a flop, but who knows, maybe when I'm editing, it'll look better on camera. I want you to know I look disgusting right now. But overall, I think this is a really cute makeup look. If I was better at it, I would definitely rock it. So that was me recreating a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what video you would like to see next week on this channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have subscribed, be sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified when I upload. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my vlog channel, and all my social medias will be linked down below. So check out Instagram, Twitter, all that fun stuff. If you guys haven't picked up stuff from It's All Wild, my clothing line yet, that will be linked down below as well, so be sure to shop that. There's currently a 50% off major sale going on right now, so you're gonna wanna check that out. I will put that in the down bar. And that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. Spread love, spread positivity, and most importantly, spread it within yourself. Bye guys! Oh. Can someone please tell me where that came from? Because I just heard Cardi B say it today and now it's been stuck in my head. Give me your head!